Technology 101. Today I'll be showing you how to install Adblock on your Mac. So this will work for Google Chrome, Safari, pretty much any browser. So first I'll show you in Google Chrome. I don't have Google Chrome currently installed, so I'll use Brave browser, which I made a video on, link in the description. That's pretty much the same thing as Chrome. It uses the same system. So I'm in Google Chrome, or Brave. All you gotta do is look up Chrome Web Store. This will pop up. Click Chrome Web Store. Then search. Well, you can see apps here. Just search for Adblock. Now once that loads up, the two best ones are Adblock and Adblock Plus, but I personally prefer Adblock. Now the browser I'm using, Brave, has a built-in ad blocker, so you don't need to install it if you did this. So you should see this done. Click off it. You have Adblock, right? So I'm gonna uninstall it because I don't need it. Because I have the built-in one again. But if you need to do it for Safari, you'll have to go actually to the App Store. So once you open the App Store, just search for Adblock. Now I like Adblock Plus for Safari. So pretty much you download it like this. That should take a second to download, and I'll cut back to you when it does. So hey guys, I'm back. Adblock has just installed. So all you have to do is go to your launchpad, click on Adblock Plus. And let me get out of my app store. And then it'll tell you please turn it on in Safari preferences. Launch Safari preferences. It'll open extensions. Check these. Both the control panel allows you to control it from here, right? And that'll work for that'll work as your ad block. So, and this is just the thing that ad blocks it. So that's all you need to do. You just click finish. You don't need to ever open this really. And you close it. So that was how to add Adblock on your Mac, and Technology 101 out, guys.